everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the giraffe on the 24 block Rubik's Twist. So basically the first thing you have to do is you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn that 2 times. That is like the back part of the giraffe. So count 1 and then turn everything else 2 times so that it's facing up. Okay. And then count 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then turn everything else back down to the left. And then count 1, 2, 3, and then turn it back down. So that's the first leg and the tail. So then count 1, 2, and then turn it back to the left. This is the second leg, and then it's not the full second leg. So count 1 and turn everything else back up. Okay, that's the second leg. And then go all the way to the top and then turn the very last one 2 times. And there you go, you have your giraffe. So if you like, or you might also do that if you wanted to and get like that kind of giraffe, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.